This sunny morning sees us in lovely Dubai, and we are here with Nissan to celebrate their glorious SUV heritage in one of the most competitive and one of their most significant markets in the world.
But before we carry on, don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell to stay notified.
As part of the drive experience, we were fortunate enough to drive the new X-Trail, the Pathfinder and the mighty V8 Patrol, both on the arrow straight flat Dubai highways, as well as some off-roading on the shifting sands outside the bustling metropolis. The dune bashing was an exciting experience to say the least, but for this adrenaline rush, we weren't behind the wheels of these thundering beasts. But we also had a chance at something a little more India-specific as well.
And we're also going to be driving something a little special, the Nissan Kicks. Now this is the Euro version, and when it comes to India, it's going to be based on a slightly different platform, one that gives you a little bit more space, slightly different feature set. But hopefully this glimpse will give you an idea of what to expect when this compact crossover makes it over to the country.
Nissan also revealed that the Kicks will see quite a few significant changes before it makes its India debut. We don't have any specifics from Nissan, but the India Kicks is expected to be wider, longer, and most likely based on a version of the B0 platform that underpins the Captur, Duster and the Tirano, rather than the current V platform from the Micra and the Sunny. First impressions are that the Euro Kicks is a compact car. It sits low to the ground and looks more like a hopped-up hatchback, like the Freestyle or the i20 Active, rather than the taller stance of the Hyundai Creta. It's still large, however, and an overall length of 4295mm, which is just a tad longer than the 4270mm Creta. Space on the inside is quite generous. The interiors are also well designed, with a good spread of soft-touch plastic in all the areas you'll come in contact with. The layout of the dash and the controls is simple and effective, with a twin-pod dial surrounding a digital MID for the driver. And while our mid-variant test cars only featured a monotone display, the top-spec SL variants come with a touchscreen that fits in the same space. The Kicks we drove was powered by a 1.6-litre petrol motor making 120 PS and 149 Nm of torque, and it was combined with a CVT transmission that drives the front wheels. For India, we expect power to come from the trusty 1.5-litre diesel K9K DCI and the 1.5-litre H4K petrol motor that do duty in the Tirano, Duster, Sunny and the Logi. These make 110 PS and 106 PS respectively and should have no problem hauling around the new Kicks as well. The Euro Kicks handles more like a car than an SUV though, and it's nimble around town with its light steering and controls, making handling stop and start traffic a breeze. The roads around Dubai are just so well surfaced that it's really hard to tell how the Kicks would handle Indian conditions. Getting in the ring with the likes of the Hyundai is not going to be an easy task. Hyundai has just managed to establish its dominance in the space over the years. From our short experience with the Nissan Kicks though, we can say that it's got all the right ingredients in place. It's just a matter of Nissan putting the finishing touches on it before it hits Indian showrooms in 2019.